All right, so what we're going to be doing in this section here is we're going to be creating the post page here in the navigation. That way we can display some of the posts and edit them and do the CRUD, basically create, read, update, delete functions here. But our links are not working yet. We are actually, if we click on it, they're not working. So let's go ahead and make it work, and let's do that right now. Actually, let's see, categories is actually not working either. So let's go to navigation real quick and edit that. So here on the navigation, we want to view all posts is gonna go to posts. All right, post.php, and the categories is actually going to somewhere else right now. They need to go to categories, and we are in the includes folder, so we don't need to go anywhere else. Actually, the categories is in the root actually. All right, we are in the root for the category, so we need to go a little bit up. For posts, we will be actually in the also in the root. So let's do that. Let's create that right here. Where can I find it? All right, let's create that. We need to create that file actually. So right now, if we save this and view to post, it's gonna take us to post.php. We don't have that yet. This is gonna take us to our categories. All right, so let's go ahead and build this page right here. So we are going to be using a kind of template type of thing because we're going to be doing a save as from the categories one. All right. And this one has everything we need. All we have to do is just do a save as post.php and delete some of the stuff here. This here is the, if I put my cursor there and I go all the way top, you can see that this is the division right here for that. All right. So we're just gonna take everything out that is not part of what we want. Save it, and if we go to it now, refresh, we see that it's empty. We should have a heading there, right? Let's just get that heading from categories right here. Let's get that heading for now. Later on we probably will replace it. Let's go to posts and get that little heading there so we have a little bit to see something here, right? All right, so how we're going to do this. First, we create a table. All right, so this is the first thing on created this post because we want to display everything, just like you saw in the demo. You can refer to that introduction of the CMS. So let's build a table. All right, and inside this table, let's just build a table. Inside the table, we get the T head. We also, inside this T head, we get a TR. Inside this TR, we get some TH elements, and we're gonna have, I think it's like around 7, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, maybe 7 or 9, but we'll find out pretty soon. So on this here, we're gonna have the post ID, and I'm just gonna call it ID, but it's really post ID. And here we're gonna have the author. Here we have the title of that post, category that it belongs to, status, image, and I think we're gonna need more fields. Tags, yes, we need a couple more. We need for the comments, and actually, and the date. We got a date, right? We need to put dates on that. Comments, bang, ta-da, and the day. I think the day for last is fine. All right, so date. All right, let's see how that looks right now. We have no styles on this form right here. So yeah, everything is stripped down with no styles. So let's add some styles here real quick just to make this look a little better. Let's add a class of table, and let's see how that looks. All right, it's looking a little better, right? All right, and let's add another class of table. As a matter of fact, we can copy all the styles from categories instead of writing them down right here. That's it. Let's just copy that whole thing out, and let's just do it right here. Let's make our tables look the same, right? Perfect. All right, so what else do we need? We need, after the T head, we need the T body, and actually we need ATR there with some elements, and these elements are going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 elements times 9 tab. And what do we want in these elements? We want the title, and just for placeholder information, we'll just copy everything down. Let's just put 10 here, put Bootstrap or something, I don't know. And why do I keep naming Bootstrap? I think the framework is awesome, since you can make everything really cool like we are doing right now. If you want to know how that works, I have a course. Actually, that's the author that we need to put there. The title would be Bootstrap framework, and author would be me. Category Bootstrap. And just for placeholders, we can copy and paste it, but I think by the time I put my mouse over it and copy and paste it, I think we can write a little faster. Tags, comments, and date. Let's see how that looks right now. Of course, no styles. All right. So TD, T body, T head, and the reason why it has no styles is because I ended the table here before I even put it inside. We need to put it inside the T head, after the T head. All right, not after the table end tag. Refresh. Now it's working. So the 10, the author, Bootstrap. All right, so that's how our table is gonna look, and we're gonna have some data coming down, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool. This section here, you're gonna love it, and we're gonna be doing some awesome work. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.